is all you'll need to make a lovely leek and green bean soup. Some leeks, of course, some green beans, some garlic, a green bell pepper, an onion, and for a bit of sweetness, some honey. First thing we're going to do is chop the ends off the green beans. So top and tail your green beans. With your beans done, it's time to do the same thing to your leeks. But we don't really want, obviously, that bit or them bits. That's the bit we're after. When you've got your leeks and beans ready, give them a good wash and a rinse. Then we're going to chop them up. Don't worry too much about the size of them, because they're all going to be blended eventually, later anyway. Into a pan with a glug of olive oil, or whatever your favourite oil is, and then it's in with your leeks and beans. Then get your onion and your bell pepper chopped, and we're going in with that as well. So in with the leek and beans, go your onion and your bell pepper, then into there with some salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. Then it's on with the lid to fry and steam for 5 minutes, just to soften them down a bit. When they've had 5 minutes, nicely steaming and frying away, time to go in with your garlic. As much or as little as you'd like. I like it a lot, as you can see. Work that through, and then just give that a minute, just to heat the garlic through, really. When your garlic's had a minute or two, time to go in with a litre of your veggie stock. Stir that in. When you put the stock in, it's time to go in with a tablespoon of your honey. Then we're just going to cover that, simmer away for 30 minutes or longer. The longer the better, really, because that really breaks down these green beans so you don't get any stringy bits. So on with the lid and leave that simmering away. Time to get it back into your pan. Butter yourself some crusty bread and serve it up.